Now, Ankita and Ankit, they were studying together at Delhi. All right, Ankita. Now, you should also share your experience because you remained here 1 year and some months, and you tell them so that they may also devote time, they may also go that direction which you have followed. Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank sir for his guidance and mentorship in my this clearing this exam, because I was also at Rahul's and I had the same experience there, that we used to study there, but we never used to gain much knowledge over there. So when Ankit suggested me to come to sir, first of all, I was reluctant that I don't want to join any coaching center, because I thought I had already attended my classes, I will be able to do it. Then I joined when Evidence Act started at this coaching center, and I appeared for my test, and then I got to know where I am standing. So I joined this coaching, and the best part is sir explains each and every provision with examples. Today also, if we don't understand anything, because it has been 2 years since we have left this, we open our notebooks and the examples are very much sufficient for understanding the provisions, and the test which he gives every day, they have helped us a lot if you do it sincerely, very sincerely. So you don't need to, I have never, I think I've never referred any other book except sir's notes and barracks, and no other test series or no other test papers. So that is the best thing that I have liked about this.
No, you want to recommend them that three things are important to read. And to number one, it is a copy which they have prepared. Number two,
So barracks. You
bare
should
act.
have command on each and every provision, which
Number
I have
three,
felt. The test
all your
papers.
test papers. Now, these three things are valuable things. Therefore, don't waste them. Rather, maintain in proper files because they will come, they will help you after the lapse of 5 years, even 3 years. Not only that, when you will become judges, there also you will sometime find that this concept was discussed in the class. You will definitely come to that. Now, in Rahul, share with them more experience that how you, whether you used to write anything there also.
Yes, sir. There were classes. He used to dictate. Sir, I was not very serious at that time, I think so.
All right.
So it is a regular process. You have to study at home everything what is taught in the class. I never used to follow that. And there was no compulsion for test series. So एक बच्चों को होता है कि ठीक है नहीं compulsory तो why to give it. So यहाँ पे we get after classes. So
No,
so that
whenever any test was conducted
conducted,
at that time,
I have never given any test.
you used to get how much marks?
So I have never given any test there.
No, here
Here I used to get above 90.
100%, sometimes above 90. Once you started here getting 90%.
That is a very motivating point, definitely.
All right, very good, Ankita, very good. We wish that you must sit on the seat of